Miss Birdie bun. Miss Birdie. Miss Birdie. Content. So look at it. I am not a fruit person. Bun too moist. This is my honest opinion. Look at it. It's more like dumpling. It's more like dumpling form. I don't like the fruits, so I'll be pulling the fruits out. But I'm gonna give my honest opinion on Miss Birdie bun. I've had HTB, National, Whitfield, Captain's Bakery, even though them drop off a shape. But the bun is like super moist. It's a little more on the clammy side. You know, all know about Miss Birdie bun, right? The bun with Donna, Auntie Donna, is like marketing. It has a lot of fruits, and I don't really like fruits. That's one. It's really clammy, like more wet. Look at it. That's the texture. This is my personal honest opinion about it. It's too soft. My cheese fell off. Yeah, I tend to like pick the raisin out. A lot of people like the bun when it's this moist. For me, it might still look like wet. It's like a little soggy. The taste is okay. But it's like really moist. And that's just me. Out of a 10, I'd give it a 5. I am not a bun fan, but I hear the whole crave over Miss Birdie bun. It's like very soft. If you love your bun extra moist, extra soft, then this is it. It's soft till it feels wet, like damp. But whether I like it or I not like it, share sell. Just a giving them my honest opinion on Miss Birdie's bun. It's too soft. That's just in my my own thoughts of it. It's, look at it. It's more dumpling like format. Drop in the comments and let me know, what's your favorite bun? Do I have a favorite bun? No, I don't have a favorite bun, but I wanted to see what the craze is about with Miss Birdie's bun. Bye.